Adom TV Badwam ena woni eguso a wo hwe na breso ewiedu samede akokensiam ensem embrema sadakese enkoma bet power eno matches na do na totoja Champions League qualification no on se wose bofi kiti wosi ni mo na mo di rack esi nim eno matches na do na akoso na utwa ya won twa bet power oti kafia bi o the bet power ne twa na njisika kese o mo ne dwuma kwa waso masene se na no pay me fa akokensiam ensem embrema me proud producer na no pay Sergio Manucho sadakese enkoma ne sha asem fi obi ma so amano ne na mdika ekaye no Champions League qualification eguso ekoso na matches ni bi etutu di interest na results no ekoye Dynamo Kiev etra ema LV Salzburg ebo ne kamie no awentimi ensi madaraka na matches emu odin papa no match no so because ne munya dia no boa eno match ne munya din nti na Salzburg for no money option na wo so mu win first leg na bibia ekoso emom nti no omo ebo Dynamo Kiev kamie no awentimi ensi madaraka sa so na Midtjylland etra ema Slovan Bratislava so any match na about Premko bia obo no yonko e ka bako na match ne mo de Mamo FF and Sparta Prague almost match ne mo den Sparta Prague ebo Mamo FF kamia no so intimacy madaraka matches ni nyina na wo bet power so into win try wa so ebe Young Boys and Galatasaray so ebo so ama 3-2 Young Boys ebo Galatasaray e kamia san one team and as what team mi no sa match no so na mi ankasa mehwe match no ha na pa na matches ni more than so try e bet power so dia bema we diska if say me directors ni nyina eno mu try me directors ni nyina eno mu try me cameraman ni nyina so eno mu try em say me sound man na man ti o mu kan yi so mu try na so mu try but me sure so mu try into mu diska into bet power there o try usika ebufu na bibia akoso na yin fa ncho man Ghana na nhwe nsama ekoso we post African Games at Ghana GCS so the 13th edition na nsema ebuboba fieti no enye fedi agro na enra odane weni edichem na hye bedwem ho biema kobna wayomi ono ene rank member Edma Youth and Sports and Culture Committee no ono ene teacher ni da so na ode nsemi atudwa se athletes be pie mu ewo man Ghana mu a o man Ghana tie sika de hwe mu edua ne die na ombibia no ye spending over $15 million. $15 million say and ochiremu.
You're spending close to 240 plus or 245 million United States dollars, right? And out of this, we got to even know, for instance, key among them was a whooping amount of $15 million, you know, which amounts or works to close to or a bit over 226 million Ghana cedis. Being how much was used to feed athletes for 18 days for the event. So you realize that some of these things needed to be investigated. We wanted to know how many, you know, athletes actually made it, how many actually got registered. In fact, we need to get a report generated by, for instance, the games management system, because the system must be able to tell us how many actually, you know, registered and actually came to participate in the event. All these details we would want to know. Even the games management system itself, it's the cost of putting that together. And as to whether the standard we all know, or anytime we go to some of these events, either at the continental level, Commonwealth level, or at the Olympic level, you notice that if you are even a journalist, you know, that is going to cover the event, the process you go through, even the accreditation process, and then your tag that is given, the quality tag that is given. And we didn't see any of this. But do you know how much we spent? As we were told, it's $4.5 million for that. And so what actually went into it? And so I've even written officially to Atos.
18 days. 18 days. And athletes never do your mind can eduane nko amodi ye no $15 million. Nti honorable say we dey or the neighbor see form no investigation say in 30 akra na this kanima na o say Ghana nyina ehu e wo say Ghana nyina ehu we say African Games we see e na say GCS so na say nsema eboboba fiat na doso nti we dey honorable ni abre said there or the embassy form now I won't say because so and then so what I we need the Black Princesses of Ghana imba omundimbo in free eduno omo obi maso Colombia ho and na 20 World Cup no ebepem so ene omo bo friendly match bako omo ne Mexico and ebepem so na information minister mami ani din edi Fatima to Abubakar dia to just say imba no afi eyo mafi o so mo koko na mo kon odin pa emu hia se be o man Ghana so first leg and as first stage say fifim no afi de e wo se ekoyenim
I am confident that for the 7th time, we are going to move past the group stages and also bring the trophy home. No shaking, no fears. With Stella Nyameche, with the captain band, striker, we have all the confidence in you. We wish you the best. We know that God will help you deliver. I am confident in comfort. Comfort, we know you will comfort us. Defender, papa. We are confident that with the team, no ball will go past you. Afi Amenyeku, goalie, the best, the one and only. We know with you, the goalpost is safe. Nothing will go past you. We are very happy for you, and we wish you all the best as you travel to Colombia for the FIFA Women's World Cup for under 20. The Black Princesses, you are our princesses, our Gen Zs, our baddies, our everything. Go and make Ghana proud. You have all of our support. All of us are solidly behind you. Myself, as Minister for Information, the entire ministry and government is cheering for you. We will support you from the touchlines or from behind the TV screens, but you know that you carry the blessings of over 32 million Ghanaians. I wish you all the best. Bring it.
Information Minister Fatima to Abubakar wakasa ye papa wakasa ye Ghana fo nyina boatom ye mbano a feed for the 7th time or some call pass the group stages na Ghana nyina ye boto yen at least mo de some anya hwekra na mo call pass the group stages Ghana nyina ye ho beto yen na eni agikakra enti no coach Steve Basigi ye wogidie e wo mo so be bo homode na mba no so abo homode ama yenda eni emfanche the CAF Confederation Cup na watwe anasa na watwe twe mu no na instructor man yes instructor man na dia man Ghana mu e wo sa ohonom no omo bo TP Elect Football Club omo fi Nigeria kamiensa wantimi ensi Madaraka na omo guso ahomboa na eguso e wo Legon Park enra na omo di nyina ba ne nyame Adom ne omo tu omo nan efi o man Ghana mu na omo di woni a kire Cameroon na ye dan ni e de kire ho ene ekohwe training omo ye na sei ene ekoye Sotramai Football Club Eddie Ahusisi Omoye area Koshia TP Elect Sports second leg of the CAF Confederation Cup no abanewie na 26-man squad and a year training Legon Park and so technical team playing body and afensu no management enyina ewo gidie say den second leg no amo edi nkunimdie ebeba oman Ghana mu na players no bi edi nkomo atodwase ne wom say first leg no mu di nkunim e kamiensa de ne mu second leg no enya de a omokofa no ahongodo so ne mu ombekọ kodin no mu di nkunimdie abro oman Ghana ena so treman.
Our coach tell us that we should keep pushing hard and work hard. If we keep pushing hard, we will make it. So we are trying our best to push forward. It's not easy. It's not easy for us to the tournament, but we are keep pushing ourselves to make some good correction to go forward. So I think if we make it better, we can go forward.
Ghana nyina ewehye instructor all the best. That's not Summerfest 1996. Amoso kwesiada and almost omo de bepem so Accra Sports Stadium. Into omo to sa free bibia at least almost omo here less than 5,000 spectators. No ma be cheer team near. But it's the first leg no ko bi man so Cameroon Ekobo Victoria United Kabakon went me si Madaraka. Nti na what we here there Saturday and Sunday. I was say Ghana ye bompire we bia ye bompire man instructor man and the Summerfest 1996 or CAF Confederation Cup and after so CAF Champions League. And then in fancy from Gaka top 4 no eguso ekoso and no matches no bi and as a match me no etodwa Badwam United tra and second 11 wise boy na match ne mu yedin match ne mu yedin papa bo TNA Park and as a TNA Stadium na match ne mu yedin Badwam ball 11 wise e kamiensa wenti mensi Madaraka so na Mediema Achi Nations FC e bon e kamieno and also a team back na head coach Edema Mediema aye ni moja capo e dia toja say match na nem players no mo bobo nti hu hia and also mo deserve some be winning from no enter the Ghana Premier League ne ebetoja nyame Adom next month September from the 6th to the 9th of September and a first match in Nyina na teams ne gu ahomboa so hi papa Kumase Asante Kotoko adani ni area check Cape Coast and only the second phase of the pre-season to Jana only Gold Stars the Ayonko Kesi ba ko epim so ama Bernard Sumwa Kumasi Asante Kotoko player no and the player she go Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko na game name moye din na good staff for so amfana hongono so kra na Kumasi Asante Kotoko for etchom so to top players na yenhwe snatie and then in from the National Sports College Omone Institute of Fitness akomotuma aboano enra na enye fediagro omo pache se omo bon money se bia nutrition courses no omo de beto dwa na se wo yo bemuno anaso ye pehin kwa wetimi yade ho agim na bibi akoso na enra omo pajumadi no ho tuma wa Cross Sports Media Center ye na musini Mr Confidence ekopi mo de munchiremu every
National Academy of Sports Medicine USA. One sashi asiano and andwada Wakra Sports Stadium. Ya pajumedi no wontoma. We ya nchira yadi ebeboa ama ankrankre wamo epe nimdie and hafe skills in nutrition, fitness, and ni akeka hono wamo akwo koya courses na ebi courses afo from hodi abano personal training, group fitness instruction, any nutrition coaching. Deputy Minister for Youth and Sports, Honorable Evans Opoku Bobie, Ekasa wo dwumadi na ase no, na wo kire se courses afoforo amodi abei, ene se ombabua asha.
The National Sports College is one of the implementing agencies of the Ministry of Youth and Sports and is charged with sectorial mandate of sports development. They are specifically tasked to train and retrain technical human resources in the sports sector. It is also to research into new and innovative ideas that support the development of technical expertise in the sports industry in Ghana. I am therefore honored to witness this collaboration between them and the Institute of Fitness Ghana to run accelerated courses from National Academy of Sports Medicine in the United States of
Mr. Collins Opoku Eduafo, ono technical director at the National Sports College, and so eka Jumedia school no eba be porting.
The prime focus of the National Sports College Winneba was to train and retrain sport personalities in areas such as professional coaches, sport management and administrators, sport journalism, physiotherapists, and earthing talent, providing camping facilities to the national and local teams preparing for international assignments, etc., and also to do a research into sport-related matters. In the year 2023, the college signed an MOU with the National Sports Authority that actually afforded the college to leverage on their facilities across the country to decentralize our courses, thus bringing the sports college closer to our patrons. And the first batch of such courses were sports governance and leadership, which was held in December 2023 in Asante and the Northern regions.
Afeni Krakramuno Kofa by Samet Pedro, ano air director Edema IFJ. Enzo Echre, Niniswadi ho, Entia, what is said Jumedie, Ababe Piemo, our my Ghana Muha.
Find that maybe is asthmatic patient, or they have medical issues. So you put them through a high cardio exercise, and they end up shorting breath on you as a personal trainer. And this can happen to anyone when you train people, especially if they're not fit. So
yeah, an international certificate and Albania also BBA didn't hold a Jimmy and any function from the owners of the biggest San Siro AstroTurf, our Manganum, NK Salem, and Rami Yama Fefe, Nipa Bako, Akebusia Kono, na a Nigie, Yanshasana, Ecopimo.
Say Kofi Paradise. Wabaka NK Salem, Busian Hua, and a creative hub, no? Yapa no huntuma kama, or the dear Yankopon, a dear mu talent, no? Waba wosu no na mansan nyina ehu no NK Salem Creative Hub yi eno ka adwumaku a NK Salem Group Limited eguna pronso no onim se San Siro AstroTurf taso ye won krampopu ni mantem ha no eyenke Salem dia construction ni wo honom medical center any foundation ni nyina wo a ene creative hub na ba beka ho a Kofi Paradise ya pa no huntuma kama efiri na ekono omanfo ebehwe de ode bebre won ye bo dwadata ewo mendieta hotel eho ne Kofi Paradise kire se ono de eni age so obeka NK Salem ebusu akese no ho nya de wo ba behwebo ne sene dodo na animu na wo ba yadwuma enafi o my Ghana ne wiase nyina ehunu de ekoso ewo NK Salem.
Yes, and on in summer a copy of our DHD Bessibiano, and fine and Kamemoha, and a brother Mahokana de Agukensim and Semesia, so that I can see and come bet power matches no and Champions League qualification in Guso, matches to do now so ever to ja. Bema, Niskago bottom, na Bibia, I find at the amount, I say, Sikago bottom, dear Bibia, so I sorted. Omuni will call some Senate Fagu can see and some member St. Phillips, and so we so Ashamenta, dear circle, or than any editor was St. Phillips, dear, or Bia anymore, St. Phillips will be Bia anymore, almost Shanta, dear, come on the Wadia, in Tadi Bia Pibiano, sir, I will call with her, and I'm the Musimi Dean, at Dinyame Bernard Paddy Butcher.